So what's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to add a countdown timer to your Google form or quiz, you can do it with an add-on called Form Timer, and here's how. Firstly, open your Google form and click the three dots in the top right corner. Select Add-ons and search for Form Timer in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Install it, and if you're creating a timed quiz, go to Settings and disable options like Edit after Submit and Show Link to Submit another response. Click the add-on icon and select Form Timer. Choose Configure, then click Enable and continue to the Form Timer Setup page. Click Setup and choose Test Config. Enter the time limit from your quiz. You can set a maximum of 180 minutes. You can also configure the start date, end time, and timer message. Then click Save. Now click Test Link to get the link to your timed form. When respondents open the quiz, the countdown timer will appear at the top. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.